numbers from 10 to 50.
Hello, Katie. What's that box of strawberries? I want to distribute the strawberries to our friends. I got 50 strawberries from my garden and I am packing 10 strawberries in a box for each of you. I have arranged one box. Can you help me arrange the other boxes? Wow! Sure, I shall help you arrange the other boxes. 10 ones make 1 10. 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. 1 10 and 2 ones is 12. 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14. 1 10 and 5 ones is 15. 1 10 and 6 ones is 16. 1 10 and 7 ones is 17. 1 10 and 8 ones is 18. 1 10 and 9 ones is 19. 2 tens is 20. 2 tens and 1 1 is 21. 2 tens and 2 ones is 22. 2 tens and 3 ones is 23. 2 tens and 4 ones is 24. 2 tens and 5 ones is 25. 2 tens and 6 ones is 26. 2 tens and 7 ones is 27. 2 tens and 8 ones is 28. 2 tens and 9 ones is 29. 3 tens is 30. 3 tens and 1 1 is 31. 3 tens and 2 ones is 32. 3 tens and 3 ones is 33. 3 tens and 4 ones is 34. 3 tens and 5 ones is 35. 3 tens and 6 ones is 36. 3 tens and 7 ones is 37. 3 tens and 8 ones is 38. 3 tens and 9 ones is 39. 4 tens is 40. 4 tens and 1 is 41. 4 tens and 2 ones is 42. 4 tens and 3 ones is 43. 4 tens and 4 ones is 44. 4 tens and 5 ones is 45. 4 tens and 6 ones is 46. 4 tens and 7 ones is 47. 4 tens and 8 ones is 48. 4 tens and 9 ones is 49.